Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am your science teacher Nehdia and we are studying unit number 3, that is photosynthesis and respiration in plants. In the previous lecture, we studied the internal structure of leaf, and at the end of today's lecture, you will be able to define photosynthesis, describe the importance of photosynthesis, and describe the effects of different factors on the process of photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis is a combination of two Greek words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to make. Plants make their food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. Here is a word equation that explains the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is one of the most important chemical changes that take place in our world. If photosynthesis did not take place, nearly all living things would die. Products of photosynthesis are glucose and oxygen. All the living things use both of these products in respiration to produce energy. This energy is used in performing activities of life. Here are the effects of different factors on photosynthesis. The first factor is light, then temperature, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll. These are necessary factors for photosynthesis. If any of these factors falls to a lower level, photosynthesis slows down or stops. Students, there is an interesting fact. Forests of the world are sometimes called the lungs of the world. They produce oxygen and decrease carbon dioxide in the air. The first factor is light. Plants trap light to make food by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis increases as the light intensity increases. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, which plants absorb from air, is an essential component for photosynthesis. The rate of photosynthesis increases with increasing carbon dioxide level, and the level of carbon dioxide in the air is about 0.03 to 0.04%. If we talk about the temperature, the higher the temperature, the faster the process of photosynthesis will be. Normally, the plants grow well at 25 to 35 degrees centigrade. Temperatures below 0 degrees centigrade and above 40 degrees centigrade are not suitable for plant growth. Students, water is also one of the raw materials for photosynthesis and it is required in limited amounts. Chlorophyll is the green material in plants that traps sunlight for photosynthesis. It gives green color to the leaves. Without chlorophyll, the photosynthesis is impossible. Now, point to ponder is that it has been thought that plants and animals could live in a sealed environment such as a glass globe. Do you think it is possible? If yes, how? Send me your answers at this email ID, or if you have any query, you can also ask me through this email ID. This is all about today's lecture. Best of luck. Till next time. Allah Hafiz.